Okay, yeah. Hello, everyone. So I'm going to present my project for the reactive bounty. So what I built was actually around something I was actually intending to build already before I actually saw the bounty. So yeah, I was actually trying to figure out a way I could flash loan. Liquidate positions, right, on Aave and also other protocols. Um, without having to use like a keeper board, but like just for events and stuff like that. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is a great chance to actually learn about reactive and actually implement it in what I already wanted to do. So that project idea is what I just applied here. Okay, so the whole idea is we are using Aave as our lending protocol, right? And then we're also using uniswap, right? So I'm using Aave v3 and I'm using uniswap. So what happens is that when the user opts in, we consider arbitrage. So what I've noticed is that prices on different chains can be different. So what happens is we use the events to check the prices on different chains. Right. So there's it. We check the prices on the chains and the one. So let's say USDC and and Ethereum, right? So let's say USDC and USDC. So on mainnet, right? Mainnet ETH, and we have wrapped ETH on ZK Sync, right? So what happens is that wrapped ETH on mainnet and also wrapped ETH on ZK. So we check the prices, right? So let's see, it, here it's like two, yeah, and here it's 300. What we do is we buy Ethereum, right, where it's lower. So the user provides USDC and we buy Ethereum on the chain with the lowest price for USDC, and then we swap that USDC for Ethereum. Sorry. We swap that Ethereum for USDC on the chain with the highest price. So after buying on mainnet, right, we swap that Ethereum we have for USDC on ZK Sync, meaning we've made like $200 on it, right? So that is what happens. So we do that a couple of times. The user can specify how many times they want to do that. Or some it is like it's also like a constant that can be also changed. So the recall maybe app and it checks for that. It does that a couple of times. And after doing that, we go ahead to provide collateral to Aave protocol, and we borrow against our collateral, and we liquidate other positions, and we do that over and over and over and over again till we achieve the expected T total log value we want. So yeah, so we are using the reactive network to check for the event of specific things you're expecting to happen, like uh, certain positions, and you know what their liquidation threshold is on, and how we can use that to profit and actually gain more money, all while profiting on arbitrage to get like a higher value to be used as collateral to be able to liquidate. Yeah, so we have a destination chain and we are using the reactive VM. I'm using the reactive VM and the a destination chain. So what happens is that the Aave and Uniswap is deployed on Sapolia, and the controller, right, which is the reactive, it's also deployed on Lasna. I think that's the name. I always can't pronounce it. But yeah, so that is the test net. So yeah, um, that is everything about this project, and yeah, I had fun building it. So yeah, okay, thank you.